A continuous outdoor bug barrier prevents pests at the perimeter so they never establish inside, which is more effective than only treating isolated indoor spots. A properly applied bug barrier uses targeted perimeter treatments and habitat reduction to break pest entry pathways and life cycles, reducing indoor infestations without relying solely on reactive indoor sprays. Start by inspecting the building exterior for cracks, utility penetrations, gaps under doors, and damaged screens, and seal what you can with caulk or weather stripping to reduce entry points before any product is applied. Treat zones where insects travel, such as foundation edges, porches, eaves, landscaping adjacent to walls, and around garbage and compost areas using labeled products and following the label rates and reapplication intervals to maintain residual protection. Focus on treating harborage sites like stone walls, wood piles, mulch beds, and irrigation drift because these generate recurring pressure. Replacing heavy mulch near foundations with gravel or bare soil cuts pest movement dramatically. Combine the barrier with simple cultural controls such as trimming vegetation away from siding, fixing leaks, and storing firewood off the ground to reduce moisture and shelter that attract pests. Use indoor spot treatments only for confirmed activity, applying baits or targeted sprays in cracks, behind appliances, and along baseboards to address survivors without broadcasting chemicals throughout living spaces. Homeowners commonly rely only on indoor spot sprays and then wonder why insects keep returning. The fix is adding an exterior barrier and addressing landscape harborage so you stop reinvasion. Another frequent issue is improper application timing and placement, which shortens protection. Follow label directions, treat foundation perimeter and typical travel lanes, and reapply on the schedule specified for the product. People also overapply or use wrong products indoors, causing unnecessary exposure and no long-term control. Choose low-risk indoor baits for activity spots and reserve residual exterior products for the barrier, and always read and follow safety instructions. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and share real project experiences related to pest prevention and other improvements. Our community discussions let homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and find jobs and collaborators through our platform.